Hi and welcome. In this video I want to show you the modulation matrix of the quantum. So let's start with an initial patch. And now you can access the modulation matrix with the mod knob about the display. As you can see, you have up to 40 modulation slots. And every modulation slot has a source, like for instance the filter envelope, and a destination, like the wavetable position for oscillator 1. And you can control the modulation amount, of course. But you can also modulate the modulation intensity by using a second controller like the LFO and the control amount. And now you're modulating the modulation, and you can do this in every modulation slot. But there is an easier way to create modulations. When you click on the mod button, you switch into the modulation assignment mode. You start with a modulation destination, like for instance the pitch of the oscillator. So you have to touch the knob just once. And now in the second phase, you can select a modifier like the complex modulator, the envelope generators, or the LFOs. I'm choosing the LFOs. And now you created a new entry in the mod matrix. So that's an extremely easy way to create very complex modulations. And especially because, have a look, you have access to every oscillator setting, you have access to cutoff and resonance, to the level of every oscillator, to the envelope settings, to the speed of the LFOs, to parameters of the complex modulator, and so on, even access to effect parameters. So the modulation matrix in the quantum is not just a boring modulation matrix. What you can see on the display is that you can activate and disable single modulation matrix entries to hear the difference. You can also clear a slot. You can clear all very easily. So the modulation matrix gives you a perfect overview over all the modulations. But on other pages, you can also see which modulations are or which modulations do have influence on single parameters. So when you click here on a parameter and you click on modulations, you can see all the modulations having an effect on the parameter. And you have a similar functionality in your modulation sources like envelope generators, complex modulator, and LFOs when you click on mod targets. So you have one global modulation matrix, but you can see different aspects of the matrix or of the entries by going to certain parts of your sound and inspecting the modulations which are interesting for this part of your patch. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video we are going to have a look on the effects section. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.